this is Miss Heather with Cecil County Public Libraries at the Elkton Central Branch. I have my helpers with me today and we're going to do some cooking. So here you are.
I'm Hazel. And I'm Rosalie.
And they are 10 and 9, so this is a good age to get cooking, and even younger can do this recipe. It's a simple, no-bake oatmeal peanut butter chocolate cookies. So we'll get started then. And I'll get started on our ingredients. So we have our oats, our peanut butter, our sugar, cocoa. I have our milk pre-measured in that little glass cup, and then our butter. So the first step, I'm gonna have my helpers do a lot of the legwork with this one. Our first step is to measure out 3 cups of the oats and 2 cups of the peanut butter. So it is 2 cups of sugar. And I'll switch with you. I'll let you do the sugar.
2 cups?
2 cups right into the saucepan.
A lot of sugar.
It is a lot of sugar.
But they have to be sweet.
Okay, Rosalie, you can use the 1/4 cup and measure out a 1/4 cup of the cocoa.
Just one?
Yep. Put it in there, yep. Okay. Hazel, you can put it in the milk. And Rosalie, you can open the butter and chop it up into little pieces so it melts easier in our pot. Okay, now we can turn it on high heat. Okay, and that'll start heating up. Rosalie, you can squeeze our peanut butter out into our oats. Just push this down and it'll plop right in. Yep, there you go. It's kind of hard.
I can't really get my hand
you
just
need
with
some help.
from the butter.
There you go. Can you hold that? Okay, ready?
That's cool. Just all comes out. Looks weird when it comes out.
And there's our peanut butter. Okay. Can you feel the stove getting hot?
Yeah. melted.
Yeah.
It's boiling. Supposed to do that?
Yep, okay. So once it starts boiling, set your timer for 1 minute. There you go. You have to keep on stirring.
So it doesn't burn at the bottom?
Yep, it's important to stir. Okay, you girls want to turn? Okay, be careful because it'll splash up a little bit.
It looks big.
Okay. That is all done. Excuse me. So then we'll remove from heat. And this part might be best for a grown-up because this is very hot. You pour it into your bowl with the oats and the peanut butter. And then you stir, stir, stir. And if you want, you can just scoop it out with your spoon or your spatula, whatever tool you're using, and put it right on the sheet. But we're going to use our ice cream scooper because it'll give the cookies a nice even shape and they'll all be the same size. So I'm going to do a few and then I'll let them each have a turn. So here's what we have. We made a bunch of cookies and we're gonna let these cool down a little bit longer and then we'll enjoy. I hope you enjoyed making our no-bake cookies with us today and I hope you get to make them yourselves and enjoy. Thank you.